Algebraic properties. This is the homework that was assigned, and I'm going to do hopefully a few questions. If I can get 2 in, that's fine. I'm going to do F 30 times 1/3 M. So right here off to the side, I'll write 30 times 1/3 M. Then I'll distribute 30 times -3/5. So I'm going to put a -30 times 3/5 in. Then I'll distribute the -20 times 3/4 M. And then I'll distribute the -20 times 2/5 N. Okay, now it's time to simplify. So I'm going to put this over 30 and I'm going to multiply straight across. So I have 30 divided by 3, because 30 times 1 is 30. 1 times 3 is 3. And then I'll write M right next to it. Then I have a -30 times 3, which is 90, divided by 5. Again, this is over 1, and I multiply straight across. N minus 20 times 3 over 1. So 20 times 3 is 60 over 4M. And then 20 over 1, I have a -40, because 20 times 2 is 40, over 1 times 5, which is 5, and that gives me a 5N. Okay, now I can go back and say that 30 divided by 3 is 10M. And then I can safely say that 90 divided by 5 is a -18N. And 60 divided by 4 is a -15M. And then 40 divided by 5 is a +8. 24, 8. N. Here we go. All right. So now we have 10M minus 18N minus 15M minus 8N. And now I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to use little arrows. I'm going to put my arrow on 10M minus 15M. And if we need to, we can always rewrite it. It's 10M minus 15M, so I'm going to write them together. And then I'm going to rewrite -18N minus 8N. So now all I've done is combine my like terms so that I can easily calculate them together. So 10 minus 15 is a -5M, and then 18N minus 8N is a -26N. And now I can no longer combine like terms because an M is not the same thing as an N, and that is my final answer. If we move down to the bottom, explain how to use the properties of addition and multiplication to perform the indicated addition or multiplication mentally in the simplest way. If I see that 0.65 plus 1.35, if I quickly add that in my head, I can see that it's equal to 10, 9, 10, carry the 1 is equal to 2. And I can quickly add 2 plus 1.85. And that gives me 3.85. And all that I did was change the order of the numbers given to quickly multiply or add the following problems in my head. And you can still do the calculations on paper, and all this is asking for is to show your work on which ones you added first to quickly give you the answer.